Republic of the Philippines versus Honorable Rodolfo Toledano. The facts of the case. On February 21, 1990, spouses Alvin Claus, a natural-born U.S. citizen, and Evelyn Claus, a former Filipino who became a naturalized U.S. citizen, filed a petition to adopt Solomon Alcala, a minor, who is Evelyn's youngest brother. The trial court granted the petition. Republic, through the Office of the Solicitor General, appealed contending that the lower court erred in granting the petition for the spouses, for they are not qualified to adopt under Philippine law. The issue of the case. Whether or not spouses Claus are qualified to adopt. Ruling. Under Articles 184 and 185 of Executive Order 209, otherwise known as the Family Code of the Philippines, private respondents' spouses Claus are clearly barred from adopting Solomon Joseph Alcala. An alien may adopt, except a former Filipino citizen who seeks to adopt a relative by consanguinity. B. One who seeks to adopt the legitimate child of his or her Filipino spouse, or C. One who is married to a Filipino citizen and seeks to adopt jointly the latter. On the other hand, Evelyn Claus may seem to be qualified on Article 184. However, adoption cannot be granted in her favor alone, for the Family Code requires that the husband and wife must jointly adopt as stated on Article 185.